in our lab on my desk, that is my working table, you'll find one mobile phone here. You can see one mobile phone and few of the tools. These are the tools, these are the mobile phone, and this is a PC phone. And of course, the very important part, the digital mobile. Okay, so what we are going to do in this series, that is mobile phone technology and repair series, today we will see or discuss how to open or disassemble. Opening means we have to disassemble this phone. We have to see what is there inside. If you don't open it, you cannot see what is the problem with this thing. So disassembling, and after repairing, we can refix it. That is, we can assemble it again. That part we are going to see today. Samsung GTC is a very popular mobile phone. That was, you can say it was a first or second generation smartphone. First or second generation. When new mobile phone, that is smartphone came, this was the first, and or rather we can say the first and the second generation mobile. So today we are going to open the mobile phone. How to open it, you watch it. What are the precautions we have to take, that also we are going to discuss. All right. So let's assume this mobile phone is dead. That is, it is not powering on. This is the power button, right? So this, when you press this button, it is not switching on. That's it. So we are resolving the problem. We are solving the problem. So where to start? Okay. So you have tried everything. You don't know what to do next. So please remember, I will tell you step by step. You please watch it carefully. All right. So this is the back cover. This is the back cover. Gently just check whether there are outside you have screws or not. So I don't find any screws. That means I cannot use a screwdriver to open it. So how to open it? You see a place over here, a small place, there is a gap given. So it's you just put your hand or nail and just try to remove the cover. Okay. Suppose the cover is not coming out, suppose by the way, if it is not coming, to use this tool. I told you in the last video also, I have shown you, use this tool. What is this tool? Suppose if the cover is very tight and if it is not coming out, so what you will do, you will insert this edges onto this thing and slowly this move on. So gently, you can see the cover has come out. The cover has come out. Okay. So just keep aside the cover. Now, what do you see first? What do you see first? You see a battery in the back side. Now, second point is, you just now see how many screws you can find. So I think I can find 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the battery. And is there any SIM card slot anywhere or MMC card slot anywhere? Okay, I can see one MMC card slot there, right? But I can't see SIM card. So what I will do is, first of all, the only first thing you have to do is remove the battery. So I will just turn how you will remove the battery. There's a gap over here. Just lift the battery and just take it out and keep it aside. Got it? Now you can see everything. The SIM, there are 2 SIM. This particular mobile has a 2 SIM. So this is the slot that is below the battery. You can put the SIM and the model number. It's given. Everything is given. So I will just check what is the model number. So this is a GTC 3012. It's written on the this thing. GTC 3012. Once again, I will just check the right person. Okay. So it's model number. There are 2 IMEI numbers will be there. What are IMEI numbers? What is IMEI? What is the full form for IMEI? International Mobile Equipment Identity. 216-digit numbers will be there. If you have 2 SIMs inside, you will have 2 numbers. Okay. So this is, we came to know from the sticker, Samsung company, model number, 2 SIMs, and the IMEI number. So you have to keep in mind all these things. These are very important. Now, we will open this phone. How we have to use the screwdriver. So you can use what type of screwdriver you have to use. You just check the head of the screws, like what type of head it is. So I think this is a special, this is a star type of it. So take a star screwdriver. Okay. You cannot use this type of screwdriver head. Please remember, this is literally different. This is not star, because Nokia series will have this type of screwdrivers. So that's why you can use this type of screwdriver for Nokia series. Whereas star is a very common type of this thing. So I've used a car star. Now, star also, you have different type of star screwdrivers. These all 3 are star. But so which one fixes it properly? That you have to check. Suppose I'm putting this screwdriver and I'm just taking it. Yeah, this goes fine. I will check this also. So this goes a little different. Low. This is a little bigger. I will try with this. No, this is also a little bigger. So this is comfortable for me. So what I will do is I will just remove all the screws, okay, with this screwdriver. How to remove? Just check the screwdriver, right? And just gently remove it. All the four, right? How you will remove it, that you know very well. Screwdriver removing screws are not a big problem. You can remove it very gently and very easily, right? So I'm just removing it. Right. Okay. Now you have to remove this cover. Okay. Now since you have removed, so again there is, you just find a small gap somewhere where you can put your plastic screwdriver or this type of screwdriver for opener. So slowly lift it. Okay, it has come. Gently turn it around here and there and try to open it with this. So this side it is open. I got the gap. Now let's try this side. Okay, this side also it's open. See, these are all live practical. I'm just showing you live. I'm not. I don't believe when it is live. I don't believe in editing part. Maximum time I will not edit. So because you have to learn everything. You have to see how the things are happening. So just slowly. Please don't use the other screwdrivers, the metal screwdrivers, this type of screwdrivers. Please don't use those screwdrivers. Okay? So slowly, gently, I've removed the back cover. And let's slowly, please remember everything that you have to do it very gently. Okay? Very gently, you have to remove it. No hard hands, no force. Don't force anything. Okay, so you have to remember that. So okay, oh, one problem. Before removing this, I have to remove the NMC card. I didn't remove that. So you just press this card. Okay, it has come out. Right. So this is my NMC card. I'll just keep it here. And now it's like, okay, now it has come out. You can see. I'll just keep it aside. Now you can see this thing has come out. Now it's visible. Right? Open. Now, even now, you can see there is one screw, or there's one screw over here on the PCB. That is still, it is fixed on this thing. I suppose I want to separate it out. I want to separate it out, how to take it out. So again, I will remove this screw. Right. I will discuss about the parts little later. Let me open it first, because our job first is to how to open it. So I will just remove this, keep it on the cover. All the screws and your accessories, you have to keep it properly on a place. Otherwise, if it is not there, then you can keep it in the cover itself, because it should not move around. Okay, please remember that. All right. So this is about my screw, and let's open gently. Let's try to open it gently. Slowly, I will again use this screwdriver to lift my PCB. Okay, before that, you can see here one connector is given, just going down. So what I will do is I will just remove this connector. How to remove this connector? We check what type of connector this is. This is a just push type connector. So what I will do is with your nails, I will just pull it up. Correct? I will just pull it up. Now you just heard now. So I've removed the connector. Now slowly, I don't know whether there are more connectors below. So I will just lift it, turn it little gently. You have to do it. Okay, gently. Okay, there is one more connector over here. Please see. There is one more connector over here. That also connector, we have to remove it. What type of connector is that? Okay, that is also press type. So I will just move around small screwdriver or plastic screwdriver. Okay, that has also come out. So my PCB is separated now. My board is separated, my PCB is separated. Can you see now? This is my board, and this is my front, and this is my back. Right? PCB, front, that is display. That means these two connector are for the display. That is your display is here. So we have removed the display connector. Camera is on the PCB itself. The shielding, what is the steel plate? This is for shielding. External, to protect the phone from external disturbing frequency. That's why they put the steel type of covering. That is nothing but it protects the external frequency. Okay. So three parts we have seen. Okay. Right. Now what I will do is Let's remove this also. Sometimes this it can be removed very gently, you have to see. But here, when I turn it on this side, I found there are four screws, four or three screws over there. One, two, three. Okay. So let's remove these three screws also and see whether it comes out or not. So gently you have to do it. Please remember. Gently you have to remove the screws. One, two, and this one is three. Okay. You can use tweezer also for looking the screws. Suppose this if it doesn't come out, then you can slowly you can remove the screws from here and you can keep it aside. So what I will do, this three screws also, what I will do, I'll keep it here, okay, in the same place. So that it is safe. All right. Now I will try to remove this cover. Okay, that's come out. You can see this is the cover. Now I got a raw piece. Okay. Now I've got the complete PCB that you can see here. I've separated the cover also. I've kept the cover here. I'll just keep the cover here. Right? Okay. Right. Now I have separated. So this is the way you open a mobile phone. But please remember the tools what you use. This is the one very important tool. And this screwdriver. Okay. So these are very important. Gently with a soft hand, you have to open it. Because if you don't use soft hand, you can damage your mobile phone totally. PCB, front panel, you can break the display or you can spoil the back side also. Okay, put the same way you have removed it, same way you have to fix it again. Okay, you have to fix it again. So I will just fix it like this. You have to fix the first this thing, you have to fix it. I will again, you have to put four screws where I kept the screws. The screws are here. Okay, so I'll fix those screws now. To put the same way you have removed it, same way you have to fix it again. Screwdriver, I will just try to fix it like that only. Fix it. One more is there, this side. Gently you have to do it. Please remember, gently you have to fix all the screws. Okay. So this is done. All right. So this is done. Now next step, I will take the front panel. I will try to connect the connectors. So first connector, which one I have to fix it? I have to fix this connector. Okay. So this is the connector that I have to, because we took it this thing. So gently hold the connector, don't push it hard, and slowly press it. Okay. That's fixed. Gently turn it around, this connector from the side. Right. Now that's fixed. Okay. Okay. Gently connect this connector, slowly press it, make it straight and then connect it. Fixed. Okay. Now, how many screws were there? Only one screw was there. So I'll just fix that screw. One single screw, I'm just fixing it. All right, done. So there were no screws, all the four screws are from outside. All right. So this is done. Now I have to take the back cover and gently you can clean these things before fixing it again. The antenna point. Why? Because if the antenna is not clean, the network it will not come properly. All right. So I will just fix it now. You have to be very gentle with the fixing. That's it. Okay. There will be a sound like fixing sound will be there. Okay. So now you have to type in this switch. All right, done. So I fixed it properly. Let's check it with the fixing the battery. I hope everything we have done it. So I'll just fix the battery now. You can see I'll just press it like this and put the work like this. Let's try to start the phone. Okay, my phone has started. Okay. So how to assemble, how to disassemble the phone? Possibly you have all in this one, right? So everything is working. If I got sound also, Samsung mobile phone. See, I got this thing. Menu is also coming. This is the menu. Okay, the touch screen is also working. So all the things are working. So how to assemble and disassemble the phone that we have seen now. Thank you.